Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on the Robinhood app. First, open the settings on your mobile phone. In the search bar, type language or language and region and tap to open it. Add your preferred language to the list or select it from the available options. Once your phone's language is updated, the Robinhood app will also display supported text in that language. Keep in mind, Robinhood is mainly designed for English-speaking regions, so not all languages are fully supported. Some parts of the app may still appear in English. And that's how you change the language on the Robinhood app through your phone settings. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.